Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this cool toned galactic galaxy type eye look with this teal lip. So if you'd like to know how I did it, just keep on watching. To start off, I went in with the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory and buffed that into my skin with an AOA F4 brush. And this was actually the first time I used this foundation and I actually quite like it, although I think the shade that I got was just a hair darker than I normally wear. Then for concealer, I went in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Light Ivory and buffed it out with a dense tapered face brush. I can only imagine how it is to be with you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew. To set my under eyes and my face, I went in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Powder in the shade Warm Light, and I set my eyes with the Be a Small tapered face brush, and the rest of my face with the e.l.f. powder brush. Love was true, but you already taken. Nothing I can do, so I can only imagine. To bronze up my skin, I went in with the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzer in the shade Natural on a fluffy angled face brush. How it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together. For contour, I went in with the contour color in the City Color Contour Effects 2 palette on a crown brush to carve out my cheekbones and my jawline. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. For blush, I went in with the Jordana blush in the shade Tender Tea Rose on my favorite Royal & Langnickel Moda Pro pointed blush brush. Then I went in with the Rose Gold highlighter from Vintage Cosmetics to highlight my cheekbones, and I actually forgot to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow this time. Now to start this eye look, I went in with the Jcat Beauty Melrose Avenue palette, and I took that muted rose shade on a Wet n Wild blending brush and popped that right into my crease. My favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then I repeated that same step but with this muted purple color. Would be a perfect harmony. I don't want to live this way. I really wish we never knew. Out of sight and out of mind. I don't want to be with you. But the next time I saw your face, nothing I can do. Then I went in with this violet blue color on the same brush and put that into my crease, but just a little lower. I just have to face the truth. All I want is to be with you. I can only imagine us both loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing. Then I took a clean blending brush to make sure those colors melted in together seamlessly. Then going really low into my crease, I'm taking this darker blue on a defining crease brush. And then I actually decided to bring that color all over my lid, and then I blended it all together with a Wet n Wild blending brush. Then for my favorite bit, I went in with the ColourPop Supernova shadow in the shade Over Again and put that all over my lid.
We could be a symphony, then we would be.
To start off my lower lash line, I went in with the muted rose shade on a Be a Small pencil brush and blended it all out along my lower lashes.
I can only imagine how it is to be.
Then I went in with that muted purple and on the same brush, but I didn't bring it down as low.
With you. From the first day I saw your face, I knew this love was true, but you already taken nothing I can
Then with a tiny detail brush, I went in with that dark blue and ran it closest to my lash line.
do. So I can only imagine how it is to be with you. I can only imagine us both.
For mascara, I went in with the Essence Volume Stylist mascara and coated my top and lower lashes.
Loving through the night. I can only imagine us together side by side. I can only imagine we're dancing in the moonlight. I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
And then I was debating on whether to do a more nude lip or a colorful lip, and I ended up going with the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade is Teal.
I want to know if you will be.
And that completes this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
My favorite song, my little melody. If we could be a symphony, then we would be a perfect